In Atomic Habits by James Clear, the author presents a compelling framework for understanding and transforming our habits. At the heart of Clear's philosophy lies the belief that small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in our lives. This analysis will delve into the core concepts and strategies put forth by Clear to facilitate the development and maintenance of effective habits. Clear introduces the term atomic habits to highlight the minuscule, yet pivotal, nature of the changes he advocates. He emphasizes that habits are not isolated actions, but rather, they are the compound interest of small, daily choices. By breaking down habits into their smallest components, Clear provides readers with a tangible and manageable approach to habit formation. Central to Clear's methodology are the 4 laws of behavior change, which serve as the guiding principles for building and sustaining habits. These laws offer a structured framework for understanding the psychological and emotional underpinnings of habit formation. By dissecting the habit loop, Clear empowers readers to identify and manipulate the elements that drive their behavior. One of the book's strengths lies in depth use of evidence and real-life anecdotes to reinforce his concepts. Throughout Atomic Habits, he draws upon a wealth of scientific studies, psychological research, and personal stories to substantiate his claims. By grounding his ideas in empirical data and relatable experiences, Clear bolsters the credibility and practicality of his approach. For instance, Clear cites studies on the habit loop and the brain's response to rewards, providing readers with a scientific foundation for understanding why habits form and persist. He shares compelling narratives of individuals who have successfully implemented his strategies, illustrating the transformative potential of his methodology in real-world scenarios. One of the most remarkable aspects of Clear's work is its versatility. The principles outlined in Atomic Habits are not confined to a single domain. They have broad applicability across various aspects of personal and professional life. Whether applied to health and fitness, productivity and work habits, or relationships and personal growth, Clear's framework offers a flexible and adaptable approach to habit formation. Clear's emphasis on identity-based habits transcends specific contexts and can be employed to drive positive change in diverse areas of life. By aligning habits with one's identity and values, individuals can cultivate a sense of purpose and direction that permeates all facets of their existence. In the next section, we will delve into the profound impact of Clear's approach on individual transformation and explore its potential to usher in enduring, positive change. We will scrutinize the strengths and potential limitations of Clear's methodology in habit formation. The impact of Clear's approach to habit formation is profound and far-reaching. By advocating for small, consistent changes, he empowers individuals to take ownership of their habits and, subsequently, their lives. Through the cultivation of atomic habits, readers can experience a tangible shift in their behaviors, mindset, and overall well-being. Clear's emphasis on the compounding effect of habits resonates deeply with readers seeking sustainable, long-term change. By recognizing that small actions accumulate over time, individuals can break free from the allure of immediate gratification and instead focus on the enduring benefits of consistent habit cultivation. While Atomic Habits offers a compelling framework for habit formation, it's important to acknowledge its strengths and potential limitations. One of the book's strengths lies in its accessibility and practicality. It distills complex psychological concepts into actionable steps, making habit formation approachable for a wide audience. Clear's use of evidence and real-life examples bolsters the credibility of his methodology. By grounding his ideas in scientific research and relatable anecdotes, he provides readers with a solid foundation upon which to build their habits. However, it's worth noting that while Clear's approach is highly effective for many, individual experiences with habit formation may vary. Factors such as personal circumstances, mental health, and external influences can all play a role in the success of habit-building endeavors. Readers may need to adapt and customize Clear's strategies to suit their unique situations. In conclusion, the core concepts and strategies presented in Atomic Habits by James Clear provide a transformative framework for habit formation. Through the power of atomic habits, the 4 laws of behavior change, and a wealth of evidence and real-life examples, Clear equips readers with the tools needed to cultivate positive, enduring change in their lives. This approach has the potential to impact various facets of personal and professional life, offering a versatile pathway to growth and self-improvement. It's essential to recognize that individual experiences may vary, and customization of Clear's methodology may be necessary for optimal results. In the following sections, we will further explore the multifaceted impact of Clear's approach and delve into practical applications across different spheres of life. Clear's principles in Atomic Habits have wide-ranging applications in personal development. They provide a roadmap for individuals to achieve personal goals, improve their well-being, and cultivate a more fulfilling life. One of the most immediate and tangible areas where Clear's approach can be applied is in health and wellness. By implementing small, positive habits related to nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management, individuals can make significant strides towards a healthier lifestyle. For example, starting with a daily 10-minute walk can lead to a consistent exercise routine over time. Likewise, making small adjustments to dietary choices can gradually improve overall nutrition. Clear's emphasis on identity-based habits is particularly relevant in the realm of mindset and mental health. By adopting habits that align with a desired self-image, individuals can foster greater confidence, resilience, and emotional well-being. For instance, someone seeking to cultivate a more positive outlook may establish a habit of daily gratitude journaling, gradually reinforcing a mindset of gratitude and positivity. Productivity and time management. Clear strategies offer a powerful framework for optimizing time management. Through habit stacking and environment design, individuals can create an optimal work or study environment that promotes focus and efficiency. By breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, individuals can overcome procrastination and accomplish more in less time. Clear's principles also have significant implications for professional growth and success. Goal attainment and career advancement. In a professional context, Clear's 4 laws of behavior change can be instrumental in setting and achieving career-related goals. By applying the principles of cue, craving, response, and reward, individuals can establish habits that enhance their skills, productivity, and overall performance. This can lead to increased job satisfaction, recognition, and opportunities for advancement. Clear's approach to habit formation extends to leadership and team dynamics. Leaders can leverage these principles to create a culture of excellence within their teams or organizations. By fostering habits that prioritize clear communication, collaboration, and continuous improvement, leaders can drive positive outcomes and inspire their teams to reach new heights. In today's rapidly evolving professional landscape, adaptability and innovation are paramount. Clear's framework for habit formation encourages a growth mindset and a willingness to embrace change. By consistently seeking out opportunities for learning, skill development, and creative problem solving, individuals and organizations can stay ahead of the curve in a competitive market. Atomic Habits by James Clear presents a transformative approach to habit formation that transcends personal and professional spheres. By focusing on small, consistent changes and leveraging the 4 laws of behavior change, individuals can unlock the power of atomic habits to achieve lasting, positive transformation. While the book provides a solid foundation for habit-building success, it's important to recognize that individual experience